This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set your account private on Monster. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Monster app. To make your account private on Monster, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the menu button. You want to tap on Menu. Then you want to go down to the Manage Account area, tap on Manage Account. And then right down here, Visibility to Employers, tap on Visibility to Employers. And then it gives you three different choices. Visible to employers, hide your name and contact information, or the last one down is not visible to employers. The very top one, your profile resume information will be visible and searchable by employers in the Monster database. The second one is hide your name and contact information. It says your profile resume information will be visible and searchable by employers. However, your contact information will remain hidden from employers. And then the very last one is not visible to employers. If you check that one, like you can see mine is checked, it's highlighted and checked, that means your profile is hidden. Thanks for watching.